My name is Wes Hackett. I was traveling through a busy intersection in American Fork, and as I entered the intersection on a green light, another car going opposite direction made a left-hand turn and hit the back half of my car. I swerved last second to avoid the car hitting my door. She ended up hitting the back door, and it flipped the car around in 360 and stopped up on top of the sidewalk there. So I had some whiplash from that accident, as well as some lower back pain, and then I do remember that the side of the door hit my arm, so I had bruised left arm. But then I saw a chiropractor there for the next several weeks who helped me get my back straightened out again, and as well as my neck. So I was concerned about, obviously, any injuries I sustained, any that were noticeable or that would, that I'd feel later on, maybe days or weeks down the road. Concerned about the other passengers in the other car. So I'd used Swapp one time in the past, and a neighbor of mine had referred them to me, saying, "Hey, just go talk to these guys and just explain your accidents, and see if there's any way they can, help you out to kind of make the whole process and everything beneficial for you and helpful for you." So I did that with his encouragement and had a pleasant experience that first time around. So the second time it was kind of just a no-brainer to do the same thing, call Swapp, see what they could do for me. Yeah, they were both really responsive. Every time I called a few times, just kind of get an update. I was able to always get somebody on the line and got an update when I needed it, and I knew things were moving forward. So yeah, it went really well. It was more than what I was expecting, so that's always a good thing. So it exceeded my expectations on the whole process and what I was expecting. I would encourage them to call Swapp, just because Swapp seems to really be well versed in this and a lot of experience, whereas some people aren't in accidents very, very often. Maybe even it might be their first time, and they don't know the things that they don't know, and so it's good to seek the counsel, seek the help, and seek what's due to them, and how to best help them through that situation, because it's a very difficult situation, and it's not something you want to try and navigate on your own. Get the professional and expertise, get that kind of help. So that's what I definitely encourage anybody involved in an accident to seek out that help.